erupting volcanoes on the Magic School Bus. We have lava mixture number 2. We have 10 measuring spoons of baking soda, 5 mLs of warm water, 8 drops of liquid dish soap, 6 measuring spoons of food coloring, and now we're putting in the 20 mLs of vinegar. Let's see what happens. This is gonna be the best! Okay, so it doesn't erupt that much. Well, it looks like I got it on the table, but looks cool. I need to put less food coloring. Oh my gosh, baking soda didn't even mix. That's why the baking soda's not mixing. That's why it's not erupting that well. Baking soda's not mixing. Makes more sense.